automatic e-tank lock was designed by a facilities manager to help increase safety and compliance with e-tanks. Federal and state regulations require e-tanks to be secured at all times. Typically, e-tanks are secured and unsecured manually, using a thumb screw. In most facilities, workers are busy and often stop and start tasks to care for immediate patient needs. The nature of this immediate patient care leads to e-tanks not always being secure. This causes a hazardous situation in the facility and the potential for tags or fines during inspections. The automatic e-tank lock is designed to fit easily in the same location as the thumb screw. Once installed, an e-tank that is put in the holder is automatically secured in the holder, even if it is inserted only part way. To remove the e-tank, simply place your thumb on the casing and pull back on the black lever while lifting up on the e-tank. While inserted, the e-tank is always secure and must be purposefully pulled out to be separated from its stand. The tank will not be dislodged if knocked over, or even if the stand is held upside down by the e-tank.